Hey friends, if the family safety app is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. Now, the main reason the family safety app doesn't work is because you have already installed other third-party family safety apps on your computer. And this is what most people do. They want to introduce parental controls to their computer, so they immediately jump into installing other family safety apps. Now, to remove this, the procedure is as follows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side and installed apps on the right pane. Now I'll search for the other family safety app. I installed this one, save browsing. So I'll remove this. I'll click on the three dots at the right corner and select uninstall, and then select uninstall once again. And this will remove the save browsing app or the alternate app. The next solution is to install Microsoft Family Safety from Microsoft Store. So at times you don't even have the app on your computer. In this case, simply open Microsoft Store, search for Family Safety, and you can install the app from here. The next solution is to reset and repair the app. Search for Family in the Windows search bar and click on App Settings in the right pane. Now wait for this menu to load. Scroll down to the reset section, click on repair and then on reset and then on reset once again. But if everything else fails, then the last option is to reinstall the family safety app. So on the same page, click on uninstall and then click on uninstall once again. Wait till the app is completely uninstalled. Then go to the Microsoft Store, search for the family safety app, open this and install it from here once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.